Okay, so we have arrived at the Mt Cook Lodge and Motels, and not gonna lie, when we were pulling up into this driveway, I was a little bit concerned about what we had booked, but let's go have a look and see what it's like inside. So they're just like little motels, which is we're staying in the motel part, not the lodge part. All right, so it's not bad. Okay, all right. I was having a heart attack then.
It smells like chlorine in here.
Okay, so it's not too bad. Okay, I'm good now. I'm good.
Dear guests, due to our remote location, the hot water in your unit comes from an electrically heated 180-litre tank rather than a continuous supply. To help ensure plenty of hot water, we recommend keeping showers short, as the tank can take several hours to fully reheat once emptied.
So Emily, you come and taking your 10-hour long hot showers. It's in and out.
So, to be honest, guys, as we're pulling up outside, we looked at this place and we thought, oh crap, what have we done? This is probably, we thought this was going to be the worst room that we've stayed at this whole trip. But as soon as you walk in, it's actually not too bad. It looks all right.
Yeah, it doesn't look too bad.
There's a dedicated room there too.
Yeah, look, the carpet looks really clean. Like, we've stayed at other hotels and the carpet doesn't look as clean as what it does. Like, it's actually not too bad.
And look at the view we've got.
Okay, so I'm happy with that.
Oh my god, there's dust.
You guys, we're not paying for the room. Well, we are paying for the room, but we're not here for the room. We're here for the views. And that's the views we're paying for. Aoraki, Mt Cook.
So you walk in and you've got an oven and a stove top. You've got some cups, some mugs, you've got bowls, you've got a microwave, and you've got tea and coffee making facilities. You have a small mini bar fridge, and I'm assuming in here, yep, you've got your cutlery in there, a little sink, and you've got a rubbish container there, mini bar fridge with some milk. So you walk in and you've got a cupboard, you've got a double bed, you've got a sofa, you've got a table there as well. You've got a dining table with chairs, you've got the aircon, you've got a TV, and then you've got like a little shelf where you can put your clothes in there. Not too bad. And then you walk in here as well and we have another room. So you've got heater, you've got another double bed. Another double bed, and then you've got the shelving and the mirror. Not bad. And then in here is the bathroom. So you've got towels, you've got your mirror in there, and you've got the vanity right there, toilet, and a shower. Now, let's have a look and see if this one's actually got the ceiling. Nope, open shower. And everywhere that we've gone, you've got hand and body wash, conditioner and shampoo. You've got a little shelf there, and that's the shower. Overall, pretty good, very, very clean. I was actually, as I said, like a bit shocked when we were coming up because I was a little bit scared about what we had booked, but honestly, it surprised me. Very, very clean. Like the carpet, look at that. Look how clean that is. So clean. And of course, we have the view. This is the view from our room. Look at that. Can't complain. So we'll put a link in the description below of where we're staying and what room we've got. So we've got the 2-bedroom one, obviously because we're a family of 4. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye.